And now let's do the etude. Another shifting etude that helps us understand just how to move from first position, first finger to third position, first finger. And of course, similar thing with the third finger. So you're just kind of shifting between the positions. Pretty fun little etude. I suggest playing it slowly. You can understand the shifting, the mechanics of it. It's impossible to really give you a full lesson here with this really short video format. So if you have any questions about this, I'll be happy to help you with lessons and explain you how the shifting works. And if you need any help with that, just let me know. You can visit my website where you can find more information about the lessons I teach, and just drop me a line. I read all the mail. Thanks for watching.